the third experiment, now let us prove how oxygen is essential for the process of germination. So इसके लिए we take two conical flasks. This is flask A and this is flask B. इन दोनों फ्लास्क में सिचुएशन ऑलमोस्ट सब एक होगा. देयर विल बी वेट कॉटन एट द बॉटम टू प्रोवाइड मॉइस्चर फॉर जर्मिनेशन एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हैंग द टेस्ट ट्यूब इनसाइड बोथ situation A and situation B, but in situation A inside the test tube we take a chemical जिसे कहा जाता है pyrogalic acid, whereas in situation B इस test tube में we just take water. Now we are going to cover the mouth of the conical flask with the help of a cork. So we make sure there is no entry and exit of air into the experimental setup. Now in setup A, since we have kept a special chemical pyrogallic acid, let us understand इसका function क्या है. Pyrogallic acid is a chemical that basically absorbs oxygen. So I can now say that in situation A there is no oxygen inside because जो भी ऑक्सीजन था उसे पायरोगैलिक एसिड ने अब्सॉर्ब कर लिया. whereas in situation B क्योंकि यहाँ पे वाटर है जो ऑक्सीजन को तो अब्सॉर्ब नहीं करेगा, so there will be oxygen inside this. After some days जब हम इन germinating seeds को जिसे हमने दोनों टेस्ट ट्यूब में रखा था we will observe them, we will see in situation A since there was no oxygen these seeds did not germinate. On the other hand situation B में there was oxygen, there was optimum temperature, there was moisture, ये सारे seeds germinate कर पाए. Hence with the help of this pyrogallic acid chemical we could prove that if there is no oxygen then there will be no germination of seed. So oxygen is essential for germination of seed.